Me eating my burgers. Ulala. But I had this. I already ate it all. And ate this all. Ate always give me her baon to eat it all. But when I wasn't hungry, she begged me to eat her baon. But I said, I'm not hungry. I'm already full. Don't you look at me, tummy? It's so taba now. It's so taba. Don't you yell, say? I'm so taba! Mm. No, no, no. Keep pushing. I will do it. I am hungry. I still force me to eat her. Ulam. Her lunch for we oh, she won't even eat it. Jeez. Yeah, I forgot to put the I forgot to post something. But I accidentally delete all my videos. Don't ever get mad for me. Yeah, what is it? Oh yes, it's 34. After computer bukas isang subject lang. One subject. Unit 1 daw. Malalala! Hmm. They made it. Well, I ate pancakes. The pancakes dance in my tummy. That is very true. Because I ate the the hot pancake. I will say, oh, oh. That's what I said. When I eat pancakes. Mm. I will post the science and math to translate like this. I forgot that I already delete the videos. All the screenshots I did. Hmm? This is only just now. Ah, Oh my god. Uncontrollable echo flight. Uncontrollable echo touch the sky. Oh no! Apak, apak, apak. Apak, 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 apak. Ocha! I think I cannot handle this anymore. I social diarrhea. I gotta poop. Ito pa po ako. Oh my god. My why my poop is yellow. And it has also black. What the hell? What does that what does the black poop means? Can you guys tell it while I'm in the CR? Oh yeah, thankfully. Oh yeah, forgot we have more water here. Yeah, I'm back. Wait, is that plum black pink? Oh yeah. So now are we gonna review or not? I'm gonna check something. Bye bye, my cookies.